So this is the issue that we have here when we try to play on Netflix, Peacock, Hulu, or whichever streaming platform that you're trying to stream record on. You'll get this grayish or black stream, and we only get audio. So to fix this, we have to either use the Google Chrome web browser. I think this will also work with Firefox, and we have to do it on a computer, of course. So on Google Chrome, to fix this, we have to go to the three dots here so we can get to the settings. So go ahead and select the settings after selecting the three dots. Once you get within the settings, select System. And from System, it may say something different at the time you're watching this video, but right now, as of December 2024, it says use graphics acceleration when available. So we have to turn that off. Now, I normally keep this off myself because I do different channels like reactions and stuff like that. So I keep it off so I can just stream, record without having to go back to the settings. I say all that to say I don't have any issues with watching stuff, watching YouTube or doing anything. So just to let you know, it doesn't really change much when you turn it off. To me, it doesn't. All right, so let's go ahead and switch it off. And once you switch it off, go ahead and select relaunch or close your web browser and reopen it. All right, so once we get back and you try to screen record right now, this video itself is a stream recording. So, all right, there we go. All right, we got it. So that's all I got for you. But if you are interested in informational videos around everyday tech and products, feel free to subscribe if you haven't already. Much love to each and every one of you. I'm your downloading pirate, and I'm out.